Hello, my crafty friends. Welcome to this card making video. In today's project, I have already stamped this cute little penguin stamp, and I have used archival ink to stamp it. Now I'm using this watercolor paints and I'm coloring it. So I'll be using couple of colors and paint this stamp. Then I'm going to fussy cut it. So I'm going to take the base card and I'm using this pattern paper which is like 2 by 5, and I'm going to use the glue and adhere it. Then I'm using another pattern paper, and that is like 2 by 4. I'm going to do the same thing. Then I have added lots of elements in this. So some of them I did like fussy cut. I used this pattern paper and did this fussy cut. Now I'm going to first place it and see how I want it. Then I'm going to start adhering it. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell button and turn the notification on so that you will not miss my videos as I post it. So I'm going to add these elements in this card. Then I'm using this double-sided foam tape, and then I'm going to add that also in this card. Then I'm adding this sentiment. So then now I'm using the bow and adding that also in this card. Then I'm using sequins and do that as a finishing touch and finish this project. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and please leave the comments so let me know what you guys think. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and I will see you in my next project with the new ideas. Thanks for taking some time and watching my videos. Thank you very much, guys. I will see you again in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye.